Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my Inspired Bible, and I will be in the book of Psalm chapter 37 and verse 23 and 24, where it says, "The Lord directs the steps of the godly. He delights in every detail of their lives. Though they stumble, they will never fall, for the Lord holds them by the hand." And I was inspired to journal in this passage because I heard a song on the radio. I listened to Air One here in San Diego, and I believe Air One is in several cities. I'm not sure. At least here in California they are. And they are sort of like K-Love. I listen to them as well, but they have their music is a little more upbeat. They have some of the more upbeat songs on there, as well as some of the songs that are on K-Love. But I love Air One, and I heard the song by Sarah Reeves called Details, and the whole song talks about how God is in the details of your lives when you maybe sometimes don't feel like He is always there if you have faith in Him, and He will always help you no matter what. And when you think things are not coming together, He is working on those details, and everything will come together in His time. So that song just inspired me. I really love her music. She sounds really young. They've interviewed her on the station, and she's a young new artist. And so I will put a link, if I can find a link for either YouTube or just on iTunes so you can hear her, I will do that so you can enjoy her music as well. So what I wanted to do today is pull in some watercolors. I have these, they're from the Dollar Tree. I found some stickers in my stash. They're multicolored, and I was just going to say God is in the details with my letters. And I'm going to do some watercolor stripes, kind of like a rainbow. And then I have this Bible journaling washi that my friend Michelle gave me. So I wanted to use some of that because it was some bright colors as well. So yeah, I will get stuff cleared off here and get started. Alright guys, so here's my final entry. It was fun painting it, but I just think it's a hot, colorful mess. And definitely the brightness of the watercolors matches the lettering, and it matches the washi, but I think it's, I don't know, it's not my best, I don't think, by far. So anyway, it's the whole reason I do Bible journaling is to get in the Word more, and sometimes they don't turn out the way that I like them to turn out, but that's fine. It's not like it's in an art gallery or anything, but it's still fun to get your watercolors out and just have fun with it and be creative. So hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.